So, what is the percentage of communication we do through words?
7.
How much?
7.
7%. Good. So, we talked about but. We replace but with?
Yes.
We replace you with?
I.
You're always late. You're never on time. Really? 3 months ago, on a Monday, I was here on time. What does that do?
Make you look like a liar.
Exactly, it makes you look like a liar. You lose your credibility by using what words? Always
Never.
and never. So these words, get rid of them. Unless it's really always and never. Sunshine, sunrise. That's something you can say always and never. Okay? Anything else? Very few things are always and never. Okay? And always and never creates conflict. When you're communicating with someone, you say, oh, you always do this. Boom! They're going to be defensive right away. Okay? Because it's not true. It's not always. Okay? So, what other words to avoid? What do you think?
You.
Okay, we said you. Replace it with I. How about everybody try to stand up?
Try.
Yes, it's either you stand up or you don't. Okay? Try is not assertive. Okay? Oh, I'll try to make it on time. Or if you invite someone to your party or your barbecue and say, yeah, I'll try to make it. You know that they're not going to make it. Right? What about the word hope? Okay? Oh, let's hope to get this project done on time. It's like my airplane pilots say, let's hope to land this plane safely. How good that's going to make me feel, right? What other words? How about can't? Okay? Oh, you can't do it this way, or I can't let you do it this way, or I can't do that for you, okay? People don't like to be told what they can and they can't do. You're inviting aggressive communicators to fight you back when you say you can't. They'll be like, really? Well, watch me.